criticized for his sentence to a youth pastor and coach who admitted to sexually battering a teenager, has quit the case.
Well, today, Judge Andrew Howarth recused himself from that case and all cases in DeSoto County, while also firing back at the district attorney.
In his order of recusal, Judge Andrew Howarth said that he was stepping down from the case because of the questions about his fairness and impartiality. He pointed to the amount of attention Lindsay Whiteside has gotten since he sentenced a former youth pastor last week to 3 years of house arrest, followed by 7 years of supervised probation. It drew the ire of DeSoto County District Attorney Matthew Barton.
This sentence is an absolute abomination of justice.
In his recusal, Judge Howarth shot back, writing, "In the court's opinion, Barton has been selective and decidedly unnuanced in his portrayal of information in the case. Barton's impressions have been parroted not only by internet influencers, but also by numerous allegedly responsible news outlets who don't seem to have conducted any of their own research." Last week, Barton said he had done his.
We did a little research overnight and realized that, it is in fact an improper, illegal sentence, that you cannot put someone that commits sexual battery while in a position of trust and authority is not eligible for house arrest.
Howarth countered that if Whiteside was not eligible for house arrest, she could have been sentenced to no incarceration at all. The implication, the judge wrote, is that Barton would never knowingly allow something like this to happen as a prosecutor. And yet there are examples of cases in DeSoto County where Barton's office has actually initiated sentencing recommendations to the court in sex offender cases that were illegal sentences, asking the court to sentence sex offenders to far less than the minimum allowed by law. Howarth served as a circuit court judge for nearly 2 decades in Lafayette County. In 2019, he recused himself from the case of an Oxford police officer charged with murder after the victim's family complained the judge did not handle the first appearance seriously. Since his retirement, he has served as a special circuit court judge who travels the state handling cases and helping to clear dockets.
Well, Judge Howarth also wrote about his concerns of a prosecutor's criticism of a sentence that they don't like, leading to the judge's recusal and eventually finding a judge who will just go along with the prosecutor's wishes. He says that's how things work in an authoritarian regime, such as North Korea or Iran. FOX13 has reached out to DA Barton for a response, but we have not heard back.